Hands up.
Exchange Rubik's Cube with your co-participants. For 40 seconds, rearrange the Rubik's Cube of your co-participants. The times are now. Last 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hands up. Return to Rubik's Cube. Timers, are you ready now?